Let's take you back to the Palm Ridge Magistrate's Court, where judgment has been handed down in the bail applications of Paseka Mboro Motsoeneng, his son and bodyguard. The pastor and the bodyguard have been denied bail, while Motsoeneng's son has been released on a warning. The case will resume in October. Zola Sholwana was in court and joins us now. So Pastor Mboro is going to wait for what, 2 months, Zola, before he appears in court again?
Well, yes, indeed, Vuyo. He unfortunately will have to wait for another 2 months, behind bars. You would understand that he was frustrated even from last week, Friday, after they were told that the matter will be heard again today, meaning that he spent a weekend in jail. And we also saw his followers not taking that well. After, judgment was handed down today by Judge Mugwena, the followers were not happy by the fact that the magistrate had mentioned that the affidavits that were read to the court through their lawyer did not contain any weight, but they were rather based on personal circumstances. There were no facts, and that the court does not make decisions based on emotions, but facts that are presented. But let's get a reaction from the National Prosecuting Authority. Sispindi, thank you very much for your time. Your reaction on today's judgment that has been handed down by Judge Mugwena.
Well, we welcome the court's judgment. The court duly exercised its discretion in denying the accused before court bail, except for the father of the children, who was released on warning.
Mm-hmm. We do understand that the father is released, as you say. Do you perhaps not fear or think that he could possibly interfere with the investigations, as we understand that it was mentioned by the investigative officer that he knows some of the witnesses of this case?
Well, remember that the court has already pronounced on the guiding factor, which is the grounds mentioned in Section 60, subsection 4, grounds A to E. And the court went further and evaluated the evidence both provided by the state and the accused person. And the court made a decision that the accused person, number 3, the father of the children, is a suitable candidate to be released on bail. And therefore, if the court has indicated that the interest of justice permits his release on bail, we accept the decision as the NPA.
Thank you very much for your time, Sispindi. Shocking information was also revealed, Vuyo, during court proceedings today, alleging that Pastor Mboro has been providing false addresses. You would understand that the court heard on Friday that he has been previously arrested more than 9 times, and some of those matters are still under investigation. And the investigative officer that's on this matter alleged that in all those occasions, the self-proclaimed prophet has provided fake addresses, or false addresses rather, together with his 2 co-accused. And that has influenced the court's decision when a judge said that all that has been mentioned in those 3 affidavits were personal circumstances of how they are feeling and all of that, but nothing really about the incident, their involvement in the incident, and disputing what has been seen on the videos that have been circulating on social media. We do understand that the gentleman will appear once again in 2 months' time now, on the 21st of October. And as it stands, the father, Mboro's son, who has been released, will be attending a court in a children's court, and also will be advised, and he has been told not to interfere with the investigations until this case is concluded.
Zola Sholwana, outside the Palm Ridge Magistrate Court, while judgment was, of course, handed down in the bail application of Pastor Mboro Motsoeneng, who is going to remain behind bars until his court appearance in about 2 months' time.